Hey there, art lovers! Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Leon Gerome, a talented artist known for his stunning works in the late 19th century. Gerome had an interesting life, filled with travels and unique experiences that greatly influenced his art. He was born in France in 1824 and studied under famous painters, honing his skills and developing a keen eye for detail. One of his most famous works, Moses on Mount Sinai, painted between 1895 and 1900, showcases Gerome's ability to capture dramatic and powerful scenes. Inspired by his travels in Egypt, this painting brings to life the biblical tale as Moses receives the 10 Commandments from God. It's truly awe-inspiring. Another masterpiece by Gerome is Caravan in the Desert from the 1890s. This painting reflects his fascination with the exotic landscapes and cultures he encountered during his journeys. The intricate details and vibrant colors transport viewers to a distant land, where camels and travelers brave the harsh desert conditions. Solitude is another gem from Gerome's collection. Painted in 1890, it shines a light on his ability to capture emotion and contemplation through art. The lonely figure, lost in thought, invites us to ponder the complexities of human existence. Exploring different themes, Gerome also delved into ancient Greek mythology. Pygmalion and Galatea is a series of paintings that bring this timeless love story to life. The 1892 version showcases his skill in portraying the beauty and lifelike qualities of sculptures through his meticulous attention to detail. Nature and wildlife were also subjects that fascinated Gerome. Lion on the Watch and Tigress and Her Cubs demonstrate his ability to capture the majesty and power of these magnificent creatures. Painted in 1890 and 1895 respectively, they transport us to the heart of the animal kingdom. Gerome was a true master at depicting historical figures and cultures. Arnaut Officer, painted in 1894, showcases his talent in capturing the spirit and character of individuals from different backgrounds and eras. Lastly, we have Nude Woman and Pygmalion and Galatea, study. These paintings from 1892 and 1890 highlight Gerome's skill in capturing the human form with grace and beauty. The interplay of light and shadows brings these figures to life. With each stroke of his brush, Leon Gerome's experiences came to life on canvas. From grand biblical scenes to intimate portrayals of individuals, his works continue to captivate and inspire audiences today.